Hey everybody, welcome back to R18 Summers. We have been on the road for about 4.5 hours. We still have about 3.5 hours before we get to a Cracker Barrel in Davenport, Florida.
So we're at the visitor center at the first rest area in Florida, and they give you these nice little cups of fresh squeezed Florida orange juice or grapefruit juice. And the kids are loving it, and we love it too.
It's his first time. We need to take pictures.
Yeah, it's his first time here. You guys have been here when you were little.
No, it's not. He was here when we went to the house.
Well, he's been to Florida, but not been to here.
Everyone got.
What do you think?
What do you think? Hang on.
Is it good?
Say yeah. I think she thinks it's good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Everyone got orange juice except me, because I got the grapefruit juice. I want mama.
Hello, baby.
Hold on. Do you want to look at the dolphin? Let's go look at the dolphin.
Alright, there we go.
Florida back.
Oh, palm tree.
Carter, who's that? Dolphin. Look up there. What's that? Carter, what's that over there? You like the dolphin? What is that? Please do not climb dolphins.
You're not fine. You pet its belly, Carter? Yay!
Do you want more juice?
Want more juice? Give me. So we go take pictures by the Florida side.
Alright.
Let's go.
And let's pure all hell out.
Hello. We are going to go take picture by the Florida side.
Stand here in the sun for a minute, get some nice vitamin D. Yay, yay, yay! Here, you guys planning to take me? How's the sun feel?
Dance harder.
He's so funny. Hi everybody, here we are in Davenport, Florida. We're close to our campground, but we didn't quite make it before it got too late. So we're camping out at the Cracker Barrel, and it is like 11:30, and the kids were cooped up all day in the car, so now they are wound up and they are being wild. So we had a great day traveling, and we're ready to get to our site tomorrow, and hopefully these kids will want to get some sleep at some time tonight.
The ultimate. Whoa! Whoa!
Wow. What was that, bud?
Oh my God.
Definitely burning off some energy.
Hey everybody, welcome back to R18 Summers. We are currently in Florida. It's been about a week since we've left home, and we've went to Alabama first, and now we are in Kissimmee, Florida. And just because it's like 20 degrees back where we're from, I have to call out that it's 87 degrees right now. So what do you think about the first week?
It's been awesome.
Mama, what do you think?
I'm pretty happy with it, so I definitely like it better in Florida than I did in Alabama. So it was kind of cold there.
Yep, still kind of cold in Alabama.
It's hard to get out and do stuff with the kids when it's that cool.
Say something cool to I don't know,
You guys
close
are
this
excited
out.
and having fun.
Do you have things that are awesome?
I don't know what that is. I can't even understand what you're saying.
Guess what? It's time for a show that's both awesome and fun. It's totally awesome.
I was thinking about something like, subscribe, blah, blah.
Okay, like, subscribe, share. Jump in, dude. Do it. Okay.
All right, jump to me. 1, 2, 3.
Jump to Dad.
Jump. What do you think? Do you like it?
Ah, cold.
Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah. What, you tried to swim? Just kick your feet. Kick your feet. Do 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 do.
Alex, kick your feet. Kick your feet. I'm like barely touching him.
Yeah, I know. You just need to make sure he doesn't put his face down in the water.
Say hey, Mama.
There's my.
Kicking.
Yeah, I know. Here,
Okay,
look
I
at.
can't touch you.
All right.
You
No.
are a swim monster. Let's go back over here.
1,
Jump to Dad.
2, 3, jump.
Oh, jeez. So
1.
right now I'm getting out of the pool to show you guys. I'm gonna jump in with the GoPro. I didn't even notice.
Watch this. Ready? Set. Go.
Ah! You splashed me! Motorboat, go so Motorboat, go so fast. Motorboat, say motorboat.
It doesn't have much gas when it's such a big boat. R18 Winters.
R18 Winters. It's so cold that we're swimming.
I'm gonna get you.
Mama is cold. Mama is cold.
You're so slow.
Don't pull under, Kate.
Motorboat, go so
Oh, geez.
All right, let him go. Let him go. What are you doing?
He's laughing. Did he laugh?
Yeah, he's cracked up.
All right.
What are you doing? What is it? What did you get into? You got into a popsicle?
And this is our morning.
Oh man.
Monster baby. Shining flashlight on people. Attacking electronics. What is that face all about? What is that face all about? What are you doing? Ah! Hey everybody, it's Christy here from R18 Summers, and we are in Orlando getting ready to make the big hour and 15 minutes drive over to Tampa to the Tampa Electric Company TECO Manatee viewing area. It's free, and another camper told us that it's awesome and there's tons of manatees, so we're hoping it's a fun day.
Hi everybody, welcome to R18 Summers. We are going to an energy plant in Tampa to go see the manatee viewing place. I think that's what it's called. And it is an hour and 15 minutes there. So, yeah. I swear I just saw a needlefish because these kind of striped whatever they are, like out.
Oh, there it is.
What?
No, striped black and white fish right there.
Look at GoPro.
Yeah.
This one, and this one.
Kate,
Manatees, a bunch of manatees.
where are they at?
Over there. In the round here.
Carter sees them. See what you see, bud. You want to walk down a little further?
I just saw it.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Mom, look at right there.
Oh, you see all the way across. There's just a bunch of
Yeah.
Really a good place to be.
But it's nice and warm.
Manatee.
That's why they like to come here, girls, because this power plant puts off warm water. So in the winter, when it's cool, it helps keep them warm and safe.
Yeah, right there, see? It's a baby. How cute. Right there.
What do you think, Kate?
It's a baby.
Oh, cute. Carter, what do you see? You see fish?
Oh, what
big
is
what?
that?
Oh,
What is
that is a
that?
big fish.
That's not normal.
Nice.
That's a shark.
That's not a shark.
What is it?
I don't know, it's some kind of fish. A tarpon? Did you look at the sign?
It's a tarpon.
Nice.
Oh, there's that big fish. Oh, big fish. Look at Mama. That's that tarpon.
Tarpon?
Tarpon, whatever you call it. It's really creepy. It's very long, too. There's a bunch of crabs. Ew, that one has only one claw.
It has a body shaped like a seal.
That one only has one claw.
What was that, Kate?
That one only has one claw. It's a crab.
I think it has one big claw and one little claw.
I'm gonna go see the butterflies. Prettiest thing I ever found. Look at this.
Wow. Kate, look at these.
Oh, caterpillar. Oh.
Look at them.
They're in a
Chrysalis.
cocoon. It was a chrysalis.
Oh, look,
came out.
there's a big one back there.
Some of them are empty already.
Ooh, look at this one. Look at the
Oh yeah,
color
that
of
one
it.
has it in. No, that one is because it's not hatched. That one still has something in it.
What do you think, Mama?
She didn't part out in the water. I can't reach it.
I want to try to touch it.
Yeah, it's
You
horrible.
can't reach it.
Horrible having little T-Rex arms, isn't it?
Here comes another one. Maybe it'll come up.
Here, Kate.
This one's just like teasing me. Laying here.
Oh, here comes one. Here, put your hand in, Kate, quick.
Come give me a 5, buddy.
No. Oh, what
Oh,
is
is
that?
that upside down? Yeah, that albino one. Something. Oh, there you go.
Oh, it just touched me.
Here, Kate, Kate.
I can't reach
Kate, do it.
Kate, put your hand right here.
No.
Just do it. It'll be fine.
Don't want to feel it? Come here, buddy.
Are you touching them? Good.
Put your hand there and maybe it'll come up. Just put it there.
Yeah, do it. Oh.
Oh, you can definitely reach
Hit it, Kate. Get it, Kate. Get it. Do it. Get it.
It's like slimy. Here comes another. Oh, tail. Oh, it gave me 5. Kate, you can reach these. Put your hand in there.
Kate, put your hand in. So, tell me, what did you like about the...
Seeing all the manatees and that giant weird fish.
what was the giant fish called? Tarpon.
Tarpon?
Yep.
It was creepy.
What else did you like?
I don't know.
Did you like like playing on your phone?
Yeah. Where's my phone though?
Bleh.
Look at the shell I found.
Kate, what'd you like about the manatees?
Oh, sorry. I like them because I like seeing the stingrays and the caterpillars and the manatees.
Nice. Would you highly recommend this place?
Yes.